Hi guys, it's Shigo and I'm back at Beauty Studio to show you guys my new makeup tutorials. So first up, I'm gonna glue down my eyebrows. Then I will take some talcum powder and I will block them completely. Okay guys, so this hack was invented by drag queens and literally every person you know on Instagram and celebrity uses it now, but they never gave credit to the drag queens. I'm taking kind of like a beige concealer, but then I'm gonna add some white to lighten it up. Now, I'm gonna contour my chin also because I'm a man, so I need to look femme and fishy. After that, I will set up my makeup with some banana powder and then some talcum powder. I'm first up gonna take a beige concealer and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyes. Then I will add some eyeshadow, of course. I'm gonna take like a dark reddish color around my crease. Then I will apply an orange color, well, different orange colors, and a little bit of yellow too. After that, I will cut my crease with some white cream. And then I will add some blue to the cut crease to give it a little bit more of like a pop. And I'm gonna use 3 different blues. So I'm gonna take some black liquid liner and I'm gonna apply it on a brush and I will start drawing out my brows with the black, and then I will apply some white cream to make it look gray. I will add some metallic eyeshadow so it looks more highlighted. So I wanted to like imagine how this housewife from the 50s would look if she had more melanin. So the secret to make your lips look plump is use at least 3 different colors of lipstick. So my inspirations behind this look were the Flintstones because I was obsessed with that show when I was little. The women on the 50s, and I wanted to change it up a little bit. Oh, and guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at officialshigo. I promise you, you will be obsessed with me. Bye, guys. Hi, guys, I'm Shigo. I'm a 16-year-old French drag queen. Drag is very much based on Disney villains because Disney villains, the woman, of course, not the men, are feminine and very powerful at the same time. the people that feel like men shouldn't wear makeup, at the end of the day, makeup is just material. Your phone is material, my fur is material, my hat is material. And material does not have a sex, it's for everybody. And makeup wasn't invented for women, it was invented to make people feel better about themselves because they're transforming themselves. Well guys, that's the finished look. Hope you feel inspired, and don't forget to follow me at official Shigo on Instagram. Bye guys!